You want to learn UI UX design, but you don't have the time. You're basically juggling between work, family, and life, and every time you try, you fall off track. Sounds familiar? Let me show you how to learn UI UX designing even with the smallest window of time and actually make it stick. In one of my previous videos, I have shared a complete 6 months roadmap to become a UI UX designer in the age of AI. Many of you loved it, but I also got dozens of messages saying this roadmap is great, but I simply don't have the time. And I get it. Not everyone has hours and hours of day to follow a massive plan. So in this video, I am giving you a simpler, time-friendly approach. It's not about doing more. It's about doing the right things in less time. I have broken down the process into different steps so you can follow up easily. So let's go. First thing is to respect your time. Not having time does not mean you can't learn UI UX design. It means you have to be smart with your time you have. Audit your week. Can you spare 30 minutes before bed, or 15 minutes after lunch, or even 2 quiet hours on Sunday morning? Pick up the time that's real for you, not what you wish you had. Once you set that window, forget the guilt of not doing a 3-hour tutorial. The secret here is consistency and not intensity. Step 2 is to learn with direction and not distraction. Self-learning is quite powerful, but it often turns into self-overloading. One moment you are watching a video on UX laws, and 2 hours later you are drowning in 17 bookmarks with no idea what to do next. That's why structured learning matters. To be honest, one of the fastest ways to fail in UI UX designing is to hop between the random YouTube videos and even blog posts. It feels productive, but it's scattered. You waste energy deciding what to learn next. That's why structured learning comes into play. A good course does the heavy lifting for you. It gives you a clear direction, step-by-step flow, and practical applications. Don't waste time figuring out how to learn. Just focus on the learning part. Step 3 is to pick a course that does the thinking for you. This is where curated courses come in. A good UI UX course should do these 4 things. It should teach you why UX matters, enhancing the UI design approaches, providing practical understanding of tools like Figma, Adobe Illustrator, and more. The course should walk you through the full design process with real examples. And finally, it should help you build a good portfolio. Apart from this, the course should support your time flexibility. That's why I recommend the Microsoft UX Design Certified course on Coursera. It's designed for beginners, self-paced, and include fundamentals, tools, UX process flows, and portfolio building. Even presentation skills with PowerPoint. Sounds odd, but it's actually brilliant because most of the people already know PowerPoint, and it becomes an easy bridge to presenting design ideas with confidence. Step 4 is to learn, apply, and repeat. Here's the mistake most people make. They wait till a course ends to start applying it practically. Don't do that. Even if you have finished just one module, start the practical approach. If you have learned about color theory or hierarchy, redesign a login screen. If you have studied accessibility, audit your favorite app. These small exercises compound, so by the time you finish, you already have real work to show. And if you have some great ideas already, you can even start your passion project. Fifth step is to leverage AI and human skills. In my previous video, I talked about 3 non-negotiable things. You must think like a designer, learn how to learn with AI, and strengthen your human powers like empathy, storytelling, and problem solving. These don't need extra hours. They are daily habits. Use AI tools to accelerate your practice, but rely on your human skills to connect with the users because that's what makes you irreplaceable. For example, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT or GoodBrief to get fake client briefs. From the brief, understand what the client is looking for, what are the pain points, and how your UI UX designing skills can help them with their website or application. Moreover, you can also get inspiration from your fellow UI UX designers from Behance or Dribbles or any other platform. Know what others are actually solving problems with amazing designs. This will give you a greater perspective in the learning journey. So, if you have been saying, I don't have time to learn UI UX design, the truth is you do. It might be a 20-minute a day or 2 hours a week. What matters is consistency, structure, and applying as you go. And if you want a guided beginner friendly option, check out the Microsoft UX Design Certificate on Coursera. The link is in the description. But remember, no course will help unless you start doing it. Don't wait for the perfect time, start with the time you have. If this helped you, share it with a friend who's been thinking about UI UX designing part but hasn't started yet. For more such videos and updates, stay tuned to Coder's Column Design Studio. This is Dolly Solanki signing off.